In 2021, there were a number of significant advances in European democracy policies inside Europe and internationally as well, but there were also a number of steps backwards. This was a year when European governments gave a slightly more geopolitical tone to their democracy commitments, leading up to most European governments, although not all, engaging seriously with the US-led Summit for Democracy at the end of the year. EU institutions and many member states invested increased resources for democracy and human rights, and they also employed sanctions under a new human rights sanctions regime in many difficult cases around the world. This was a year when there was an unprecedented number of new action plans and initiatives in the field of democracy and human rights, but we still have to see how committed the EU is to implementing these new tools in practice.
In 2022, we'll be following some very important issues for democracy within Europe. That includes a series of key elections over the course of the year, but the most important issue is whether the European Union will withhold funding to Poland and Hungary as a result of rule of law backsliding. Outside of Europe, one of the key things that we'll be following very closely is the Team Europe Democracy Initiative, which bodes well for greater cooperation between European governments. In addition, we'll be following, as a result of the research that we did in 2021, the relative prioritization of democracy vis-à-vis other foreign policy priorities over the course of the year.